Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education past question. Question number 56. The major types of laws used to govern the society are dash. Use that is common, that is prominent in every society are dash law. And as we all know, law simply means standard standard or rules that guide the the behavior of people in the society. So that is law. Option A says canon laws and civil laws. Option B says case laws and statute law. Option C says common law and private law. Option D says constitution and international law. Option E says constitutional and civil law. The correct option here is option E, constitutional law and civil law. When we talk of constitutional law, it simply means laws made by the states, or government. Now when we talk of civil laws means laws that are product of the society, that are part of the society, rules and regulations that are part of the society. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.